Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I make this hair conditioner for natural hair, for detangling and also straightening your hair. And if you want to see how I made this, you have to watch this video to the end. Primary ingredient that I'll be using for this is my oatmeal, and I'm using 1 cup, and also my aloe vera plant, and as well my glycerin and DIY oil. This DIY oil contains different kind of oil and essential oil, so I will not be adding essential oil to this DIY. And then I will proceed to cook my oatmeal, and before cooking my oatmeal I will first of all heat my water up so that it will not take longer time to cook up. So while that is cooking, I will keep stirring it until you have this form, like you get to this point having this sticky, and just how you generally prepare your oatmeal, not too thick and you should not let it to be too thick and should not let it to be too watery. You should just have this medium consistency, because you know that you have other aloe vera to put aloe vera gel. So while that is cooling down, after it has cooked to my satisfaction, I will proceed to prepare my aloe vera gel. And starting to prepare my aloe vera gel, I will just take out the green part of the aloe vera. What I need is the gel, is the aloe vera gel. Then I will scoop the gel, which is the white part of the aloe vera, into my blender jar. And then I will use enough. Even though I can't finish it, I can use it for another purpose. So I will just scoop all of the aloe vera, and then I will proceed to blend it. Then I will blend it until it's so smooth. So after blending my aloe vera like this, I will just proceed to strain the aloe vera. So the purpose of doing this, aloe vera do contain some particles that you don't want to get stuck on your hair. You can strain this 2 times to be sure, like to be safe on with the aloe vera. So after that, you can see what I got. You don't want this on your hair. You don't want this on your natural hair. So now that I'm done with the gel, I will proceed to blend the oatmeal. By this time, the oatmeal is not really hot, but it's still warm. You can see the steam a little bit from it, from the pot. So I love using the hand blender. The purpose is to minimize some mess, doing this instead of transferring to a jar and all of that. So after blending it into a paste like this, I will repeat the same process like that of the aloe vera. Then I will strain it, like I will press at the creamy part, and then the shaft, which is the part that is not needed, will be thrown away. You can do this using your cheesecloth, or you can use something that you can use to strain it. Then I will proceed to strain it again for the second time, just to be on the safer side, like I mentioned earlier. Then I will strain it again, like removing the creamy part. You can see how creamy this oatmeal is. That is how you want your oatmeal to be. You are doing this for conditioner, not deep conditioner. Okay, so when I'm done with this, I will just look at what I got. Can you see that? Can you see this for the second time? Anyway, the cheesecloth I'm using is tiny. So at this point, I will just add the rest of the ingredient, like the aloe vera, and I will add enough of it. Like I add more tablespoon. I didn't even count it. Then I add my DIY oil that I made and the glycerin. So I just add enough, like add more oil to be enough. If you don't have DIYs, you can use other kind of oil, like carrier oil, coconut oil, olive oil, any kind of oil, almond oil. Then you add essential oil. The reason I'm not doing all of that, because I already have everything in my DIY as mentioned earlier. Then I'll keep stirring it together till everything is well mixed properly. Then it's ready to be used. You can see how creamy this is. You can see how it is. The consistency is not too thick, and you can use this on your hair after you have shampoo. Then use it to detangle, leave it for some time, and then you rest it out from your hair. And then when I'm done, I just transfer it to the storage can to store it. And the say like to store this, you can leave it in the fridge or in the freezer. Then you just bring it out and leave it to your fridge or to defrost to use it. Or you can make it once at a use, like, you understand. So guys, my at this point my conditioner is ready to be used, and I love it. I can't emphasize how much I love this. I love it, and I will keep making it. I will not stop. I will not stop it because my hair love this. My hair love it. If you have a natural hair, you will understand. If you apply something on your hair will tell you if the hair likes it or not. The hair is going to tell you, and you are going to know what your hair is trying to communicate to you. So this is how I use it. After I shampoo my hair, I just use it to detangle my hair and then raise it out, and my hair feels so good. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share. Bye.